Good evening, all. Good evening. You're welcome to the tutorial suite from Eternity Schoolboy. Today we'll take a look at our assignment, mathematics review assignment. Mathematics review assignment what? Assignment what? Good. 4. Mathematics review assignment 4. And the questions, we have the question as follows. If 1011 to base 2 plus x to base 7 is 25 to base 10, solve for x. Solve for x. Okay? What's the answer, Chineye? Fast. We have 1 minute. 1 minute to do it. 1 minute. Just 1 minute. Fast. Take a marker. 1 minute. Fast. Don't waste our time. Are you done? You got what? A. Okay, let's see. Let's see. The question says 1011 to base 2 plus x to base 7 is equal to 25 to base 10. Find solve for what? X. Okay, she converted all of them to what? Base 10, right? Is that what you did? Yes. Okay. And that's what she did. She converted this to base 10, this to base 10, and got what? This. So at the end, she solved for s. That s is 14 to base 10. S is what? 14 to base 10. Is that the answer? Yes. Is s in base 10? You have to move this back to base 10. You have to move this x back to what? Base 7. For this x to be 14, this x here is in base 10. For this x to be 14 to be what? This x, it has to be in what? Base 10. So you move this 14 in base 10 to what? This one for now in base 10. You move it to what? Base 7. By dividing by what? 7. Come and do it. Come and do it. Remember the option says A is what? Option A is what? B is what? 20. C is what? 24. D is what? 25. So convert that 14 to base 7. So what's the answer?
Well, I thought I've converted it already.
Huh?
Yeah.
You converted what?
I thought I've converted it in base, yeah.
To what?
To base 10. I've done that already.
What effect did it have here? Did it add anything here?
No.
This number is in base 7. This x is in base 7. It didn't add anything there. Okay? It added nothing there. Is it clear? It didn't add the dime there. So the answer is 2 what? 0. That's the meaning of x. If you watch that, they didn't ask you about the base now. They focus on that x. What is x? X is 20 in base what? 7. That means if you move it from base 7 to base 10, it becomes what? I mean, if you move 20 in base 7 to base 10, it becomes what? 14 now. That's what you got. It shocked you? Okay. Even this thing I say yourself, even if you move it to base 10, what you got here is still 14 in base 10. Let me take that way. It's in base 10, so you must move it back to what? Base what? 7. Is that what you got? What did you get? Did you do it? You don't.
I know that I was thinking whether to do it when I saw 14.
So what? Okay, you left your answer is.
I have the mind that I will do something like that, but when I saw 14, I don't want that.
Not jam for you. Jam will give you any possible error you may have. Jam will calculate your possible errors for you and put in your option for you. It's not for you to actually know what. If you know what you are doing, then you know which is which. All the possible errors that you make, that any possible error at all, you see it in the option. So you get prepared for that. Don't just solve something and see one option and just pick it. Look at other options and make an informed choice. All right, so number one is what? B. Number two says, number two, so come and solve number two. You didn't solve this within the specified time. No gift for you. Anyway, you even failed yourself. So keep that book there.
Can we call the
I'll call it, don't worry, I'll call it for you, don't worry. Take marker. Look at this mango.
And I'll call the person faster.
The question says, convert 241 in base 5 to base 8. We have 1 minute to do that. You don't calculator. Solve it on the board. Don't punch anything. I want to know the star girl or star boy for today. Are you done?
I'm done now. Yes.
What do you get?
107.
How do you do 107? All right. You have 100 naira airtime for yourself.
Wow.
All right. Next one, and she got it. She first moved from base 5 to what? To base what? 10. Then from base 10, she now get back to what? Base 8. The answer is actually 107 to base what? 8. Thank you. Now the next question says, Michael, next question. Fast. Write it out. 124 to base 10. Clean the board. So we have 1 star here today so far. One, 124 to base n is equal to 232 to base 5. Find n. Your time starts now. Okay, give me. Sit down. All right, the question says 124 to base n is equal to 232 to base 5. We should find what? N. The best thing to do is to move everything here to a common base, which is base what? 10. If you move this to base 10, that's what he did here. And then at the end, he got n squared plus 2n plus 4. Then this side, he also moved it to base what? 10. He got 50 plus 5 plus 2. Here is 68. 67. Here should be 67, not 68. So what we do now do, we move this 67 this side. Here, everything that will now become what? N squared plus what? 2n minus what? Is equal to what? 0. So let us not waste time. You look for two factors that if you multiply them, let's just keep the coefficient. We know that the variable here is n squared, right? Let's just focus on the coefficient alone. Factors of minus 63. Factors of what? Minus 63. That when you add them, you get what? Plus 2. Those factors of minus 63 are 9 and what? Minus 7. Because if 9 times minus 7 is what? Minus 63. And 9 minus 7, that is 9 plus minus 7 is what? 2. So whenever you see 2, you put what? 9 plus what? 7. So let's go. We now have that n, this is now n squared. Whenever we see 2, we put 9 plus what? 7. Is what? Sorry, 9 minus what? 9 minus 7. All in bracket. Oh, because 2 belongs to what? N. So everything should be in bracket what? N. Then minus what? 63. Let's go. This setting is saying n squared plus 9n minus what? 7n minus what? 63. So let's get the common factor here. Here is what? N in bracket what? N plus what? 9, because n times n is what? N squared. 9 times n times 9 is what? 9n. So this is correct. Here you have minus 7. You bring out 7 here, we have what? N plus what? 9. Because minus 7 times n is what? Minus 7. Minus 7 times plus 9 is what? Minus 3. So we've gotten n plus 9. This we go with this. We have what? N minus 7 bracket what? N plus what? 9 is equal to what? 0. This implies that n minus 7 is equal to 0, or what? M plus 9 is equal to what? 0. We now find the value of n. N is equal to what? 7, or n is equal to what? Minus 9. You know, a number base cannot be what? Negative. So that's why we will not choose what? Minus 9. So we go with what? 7. So n is actually what? 7. So n is what? 7. Okay, let's go to the next question. Mr. come and solve number 4. Is that what? Okay, you don't know number 4. Chibadi, come and solve number 4. Fast. Yeah, we have 1 minute to do that. If you hit 1 minute, order another recharge card for you. Go to the board and see marker. Don't punch calculator there. Clean the board now so that cleaning the board will not take your time. Clean the board clearly so that once you start, you don't waste time. No need, just grab our time doing Calafia. I don't want us to wasting time in this review again. Sorry. You would have won airtime now. Alright, let's see. See what she did, right? You know now, right? This. So x is now what? It's good. X is 2. From the question, they put x here and say we should find what? X. This is simple what? Subtraction. 2 minus this cannot go. You do what? Take 1 here, right? Multiply by the base, which is 7. 7 plus 2 is what? 9. 9 minus 4 is what? 5. What is remaining here? 5. 5 minus 4 is what? 1. What is remaining here? 1, right? 1, right? So you cannot take 1 here times by 7 become what? 7 plus 1 is what? 8. 8 minus 6 is what? 2. What is remaining here? 4. 4 minus 2 is what? 2. So the answer is actually what? 2. Thank you. All right, let's move to the next question. Kamsia, come out. Come and solve number 5 for us. You not copy assignments. You not do the assignment. You not been coming. You don't be checking our group to see what's going on there. Huh? Huh? What did you check the thing? This morning. You see the assignment there this morning. It's not true. When did this assignment drop? Huh? Come see. I don't understand again. How can you say that you didn't see the assignment that dropped as early as 2 a.m. or 3 a.m. today? You say you don't see it. Anyway, unless network issue, let me not conclude. All right, Chichina, go and solve number 5. Fast. Clean the board first. When you're done, let me know so I can time you. You like, go and solve like Chinwe. Your airtime will come back to me. I say clean the board first because I know that cleaning board also takes its own time. So if you are done, then you write the question. Then we'll start timing you. Huh? All right, your time starts now. You have 1 minute. The answer is what? 3, 5 to base what? 6. First of all, she listed that thing we did yesterday. She listed the factors, right? First of all, listed the basis, the digits that basis can do what? Accommodate or tolerate, which are what? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And start multiplying by the what? The divisor. 0 times 4, 2 is 0. 1 times 4, 2 is 4, 2. All these are in base what? 6. 2 times 4, 2. On a normal, it should be 84 in base 10. But she now had to divide through, right? Because 4 times 2, where did she do it? She copied it in her palms. And she now came and 4, 2. 2 times 2 is what? 4. 2 times 4 is what? 8. You divide by 6, right? We have 2. What? 1 remainder what? 2. That's why she has 2 there. Then she brought down that 1. So you have 1, 2, 4 to base what? 6. Then 3 times 4, 2. 3 times 4 is what? 3 times 2 is what? 6. Basis cannot accommodate 6. So 6 divided by what? 6 is what? 1 remainder 0. You write a remainder. Take the 1, add it here, put it here. 3 times 4 is what? 12. Plus that 1, 13. 13 cannot be accommodated. 13 divided by 6 is what? Is what? 2 remainder what? 1. The remainder will now come. Then 2 will now be here. 2. That's why you have 2, 1, 0 in base 6. Now 4 times 4, 2. Let's go again. 4 times 8. 4 times 2 is what? 8. 8 cannot be accommodated. 8 divided by 6 is what? 1 remainder 2. That's why you get the remainder, which is 2. You now carry the 1, right? So put the 1 here. 4 times 4 is what? 16. 16 plus 1 is what? 17. 17 divided by 6 is what? 2, remember what? Am I communicating? Let's go again. 4 times 2 is what? 8. 8 divided by 6 is what? 1, remember what? 2. 2, then carry 2, then carry 1, put 2 here, right? So 4 times 4 is what? 16 plus 1, 17. 17 divided by 6 is what? 2, remember what? 5. So you put 5 here and bring down the 2 here. That's why you have 2, 5, 2. Then 5 times 4, 4, 2. We have 5 times 2 is what? 10. 10 cannot be accommodated. 10 divided by 6 is what? 1, remember 4. You put remainder, which is 4. Take that 1, continue your multiplication. 5 times 4 is what? 20 plus that 1, 21. Divided by 6 again. We have what? 3, remember what? 3. You write remainder and bring on 3. So this is the whole. So what is, when she now wants to divide, she should now start here. 2 is less than 42, so you move to what? 4. Even 2, 4 is less than 42, so you move to what? 2, 4, what? 3. 2, 4, 3 divided by what? 4, 2. You go back to this product now and look for a product that is closest but lower than what? Equal to or lower than what? Closest, 2, 4, 3. And that number is what? What? 2, 1, what? 0. So what did he use to multiply this 4 to get this 2, 1, 0? It's 3. That means if you divide this by this, you have 3 and remainder. And to get a remainder now, you subtract this from where? This. And that's what she did here. Okay, she followed your long division, right? Process. It's okay, it's not bad. She started subtracting 2, 1, 0. It's not bad, but me, I'll just do this minus this and get my answer. Minus 4, 2. What you did is not wrong, but I don't have time for that long thing. Simply do what? 2, 4 what? 3 minus what? Minus what? 4, 2. Let's go. Remember, everything is in base what? 6. So take this 1 from here will come here. It becomes what? 6 plus 3 is what? 9 minus 2 is what? Okay, sorry, 1. What you mean here? 0. Take 1 from here, right? Times 6 is what? 6. 6 minus 4 is what? Are you following me? You say what? You cannot go. Why? Why can't you go? You have divided this by this, right? Okay, if you do 340 divided by 20, 340 divided by 2 by 5, right? 340 divided by 5 is what? In base 10, right? How many 5 can we see in this? Huh? What? 6 minus what? 6 minus what? 6 minus what? 4. Okay, how did you get that 4? Okay. I get the point now. Okay, it's true. So if you do 243, 243 divided by this is what? Is what? 1. What remain is you subtract this from where? That whole number you got, right? This from where? This. If you subtract this from this, you have what? 243 minus what? Minus what? 2, 1, 0. You have what? 3 what? 3 what? 3. Because this actually means that one of these, I'm confused now. I'm confused. Okay, let me circle what you did and do my own thing by the side. Then we'll now compare the two of them. Let's go. We have what? 2, 4 what? 3, 4 over what? 4, 2. Now we have listed some things here. We are working with what? This and this. This divided by this, we have what? 1. 1. This divided by this, we have what? 1. Because if you come here, sorry, 3, not 1, 3, sorry. We have what? 3. Because if you come here, we have 3 here. When this divide is, we have 3. So 3. We have 3. Then you now continue subtract from this. You have 2, 4, 3 minus what? Minus what? 4, 2. You have what?
Sir,
Eh?
I thought if you are going to minus it by 1, by 42 is when you have 1.
Can you allow me to finish?
I just want to.
Can you allow me to finish? Eh? So you have 3 minus 2 is what? 1. This minus this is what? Is what? 0. And what? And 2. Now, we multiply this by the base we are what? Working on. We are working in base what? 6. So you have 2 0 times 6 is what? 6 times 1 is what? Is what? 6, right? But 6 cannot enter here. What do we do? 0 remember what? 1. Right? 6 times 0 is what? Is what? Plus 1 is what? 6 times 2 is what? 12. 12, right? Then that 12 cannot enter, right? You now do what? Divide by what? 6, we have what? 2 remainder what? 0. So you have 0 here, you have what? 2. You have 0 here, you have 2. Now, we are multiplied by the base. We now add the remaining what? Add the remaining what? 4, right? We have what? 4, 1, 0, 2. 4, 1, 0, 2. Now, we divide again. If we divide, you get what? Wait. Cambia. Is that what? 5 times what?
42. No, 5 times 42.
Which one?
The factor should be 5 times 42.
I don't know what they're saying.
I'm seeing that now. It's not like that. 5 times 42.
We are using bases.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, you did, baby. No, you have baby 6. I'm trying to find out something. What you did, I'm not saying that what you did is wrong. I want to check something else. What you did is okay.
Let me tell you something now. Look at what I want to say. You are correct. What you are doing, you are correct. But when you are going to apply this method, if we divide like this thing, we did 2, 4, 3 divided by 42. The one that, according to basis, was 3. If it is 1, then we now use that 42. What you're going to do is like to times that 42 times 3 in base 6. We now subtract it with that 2, 4, 3. We have 3. We don't have 1. We are still dividing minusing it with 1. That's what I'm trying to say.
Thank you. Now, If you have 243 divided by what? 42. This thing will give you what? 3. This will give you what? 3. And 4 times 42 times 3 is what? 210. 42 times 3 is what? 210 as a whole number. Okay. The remainder will now be, had even here is 1, it's true. So the remainder will now be this 243 minus what? Minus what? 210, which is what? 3. Then times the base, right? Good, you are right. 3 times base, which is what? This times this is what? You cannot go right. You divide by 6 and get what? Huh? 3 minus what? So 0, 3 will come here. 6 times 3 is what? Plus 3 is what? 21. 21 divided by 6 is what? Huh? So we have 3 and we have what again? 3. So this 330 plus 4 is what? 3. You are correct. 3 what? 4. Then you continue dividing. Let's go here. The 334 now we have 5 here. So here should be what? If 334. If 5 times 42 is 334, that means 334 divided by 42 is will give us what? 5. So that's why this place should be what? 5. So you have 35 in base what? 6. You are correct. You are correct. I forgot that this is no longer 1. And if it is 1, if multiplied by 1, it will still give us the same answer. Then we now it will give us 42. Yes, had it been here is 1. It's true. You are correct. But what you got as whole number is what? 3. So we should multiply the divisor by that whole number before you can subtract from the get our what remainder. You are correct. Thank you for the correction. I thought I could just find my way around here, but I missed a very important step. All right, so that is what happened. Who didn't get this? What is it? Let me.
After the find the values, you now want to find the remainder. What 240 minus 210. I don't understand what she did after that.
Now we are finding the remainder.
After subtracting this, she multiplied by 6.
She subtracted 210 from 240 to find remainder. After getting the remainder, she multiplied by the 6, which is the base we are working on. Then she now add it to the last digit. When she multiplied, she got 330. She got if this is not, let's see what I did here. After multiplying, she got 330. And added the last digit to get 334. You now go back to this thing and now find out that 334 divided by 42 will give us what? 5. So that's why it's what? 35 will be what? 6. Is it clear? Sometimes is it clear? Alright, so thank you very much. That's good. Alright, let's go to the next question. The next question says, who answered now? Even though she shouldn't be the time. Who's going to do the answer before? Come answer that one. Come answer your own. You say what? Come answer it. So we have that 12 to base e is x to base 7. Find x where e is 12. So you're just simply saying that. So this is not 12, it's 1, 2 to base 12. 1, 2. But 12 cannot be in base 12. This is 1, 2 to base what? 12. So we now move that 1, 2 to base what? 10. And that's what she did. That's what she did. And she got what? 1, 4. She got 14 to base 10. So she moved that 14 back to base what? To base 7. And got 2, 0, base 7. Thank you. Okay. I actually want to come and solve number 7. Fast. Okay. Okay, she listed this. Okay, good. So we have what? 111 divided by 101 is what? 1. Let me solve this. Okay? This one is how many? How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 to base 2. Divided by what? 101 to base 2. Okay, she has done this. So we have the factors. We have 0 times what? 101 is equal to what? 0. We have what? 1 times 101 is equal to what? 101. Let's go. So this is three digits. So we pick the 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. This divided by 111 divided by 101 is what? 1, right? By virtue of this division, this will be taken care of. So we have 1. The remainder, you now multiply, to get the remainder, you multiply this by what? This. And subtract from where? Here. So this time, this is what? 101 times 1 is still what? 101. So let's subtract it from 101. You have 111 minus what? 101. You have what? 0 and what? 1. You multiply by the base you are working in, which is base what? 2. This 2 times 0 is what? 0. 2 times 1 is what? 2. It's more than, it can accommodate it, so you divide by 2. 2 divided by 2 is what? So you put another 0 again and bring down the what? 1. This is 101. So you now add this 101 to this next what? Digit. So this one is gone. If you add the 100 to here, you give you 101. So 101 divided by 101 is what? 1 remainder what? 0, right? Good. You multiply the 0 you are working with by the base. 0 times 2 is what? 0. You add it to the next digit, which is 1. So 0 plus 1 is what? 1. You divide again. 1 divided by 101 is what? 0 remainder what? 1, right? So you put that 0. Remember what? 1. So you multiply that 1 by the base you're working with. 1 times 2 is what? 2. 2 cannot be accommodated, right? You divide by 2. You have what? 1 remainder 0, right? Now you add it to the next one, which is this one. So this one, okay, no, not yet. We add it to this one, right? Have we this one? Okay, you add it to this one. It becomes what? 1 what? 1 1. You keep dividing. 1 1 divided by 1 is what? 0 remainder what? 1 1, right? You multiply by the base you are working, which is base what? 2. 2 times 1 is what? 2. You cannot hold it, right? It becomes what? 1, right? 2 times 1 is what? Plus 1 is what? 3. 3, right? We have what? 1 1. Have you taken care of this? Are you sure?
Yes, yeah.
So this should go, right?
The next one.
So we now add this 110 to where? To this one, right? So this will go. So 110 plus 1 is what? 111. So let's divide. 111 divided by 101. We are going back to what we did before. We have what? 1 remainder what? 1 remainder what? Because that means you do minus what? Right? This is 0. Is what? 10, right? You multiply by the base. You have what? 0, 0 what? 1. You add to this one. It becomes what? 101. So this will be taken care of. So 101 divided by 101 is what? 1. So this is the answer. 110011. 110011. I think we committed this error yesterday. Sure. Look at it. Go over to what we saw yesterday. It seems like look at it. We committed this type of error yesterday. Check what we saw yesterday. Did you put it down?
Yes, you asked the question like that. If I did not put it down, I have not.
You don't put it down. Why? Let me solve it from there. Let me see what that is there work. Where is it again? I can't remember again, but just this is how to take care of such thing, okay? All right, let's continue. The next question says, convert 4 to who comes here, come out. You don't even have the question, sir. So where do we start from? Oh yeah, Chinaya, go to the board. Fast. And solve it. Should I time you? You probably afraid of being timed. Why? You don't know that. Anyway, I just do. Let's go. That's why Miss Oma came out. She didn't want me to time her. She just figured out herself. He said to me, chill. Time is of excess. Is of excess when you are writing exams like JAMB. Even when except should be with time. I think they are talking about doing work CBT. So I don't know if they succeeded. That's what they That's what I saw in the news, that they want to make work CBT. You know that it's now, if they succeed in doing that, you know that it now be time bound. It's no longer distant. So you need to really help yourself and work with speed. The question says convert 42 to base 5 to a base 3 what? Numeral. Simply convert this to base 3. Move this to base 10, then from there you move to what? Base 3. Move to base 3 what? Numeral. So if you move it to base 10, you have what? What did you do? 2, 2. And now, what is this one? Even if you are using Roman numeral, doesn't the numeral represent a number? Bossa. Is this not a numeral? Look at it. Look at this thing on the board. Is this not a numeral? So what is the issue now? It's 3. Yes, number 3 is a number. This type of 3 is a numeral. It's not true. It's a numeral now. So base 3, you know, by this is similar. Even if you put a Roman numeral here, I, or it's something. I'm going to continue. Finish up now. Finish up. Continue what you are doing. Hey. Hey, goodie. You do better than got 311 to base 3. Who told you that one? You got 311 to base 3. Does such number exist? 311. You have 3 digits in a number in base 3. Does it exist? What are you doing, Gina? Go back there. Also. Be fast. Don't stop wasting our time. Start from that 3 divided 2. 22, continue.
Then 7 divide this. 3 divide 7. I got 2 remainder 1. Then 3 divide 2. 3 remainder 3.
So what's the answer? Okay. Next question. My sources, go and solve number 9 for us. Don't carry your book. I'll call for you. And clean your palms. So we have if 2 to base 9. Okay. If 2 to base 9 times, open a bracket, capital Y3, bracket close, base 9 is equal to 3 to base 5 times capital Y in bracket 3 again, closes to base 5. Find Y. Should I time you? No. If I like. I'm not timing you, but don't like this timing of your thing. Do your thing. Don't worry, do your thing. Y is what? 1. So we have, is that what you got, Michael? Miss Oma, is that what you got? Did you even solve it? What did you get? Chinua, is that what you got? Do you know when things like this happen? This today. They tell them to people that did not do the assignment. It's so obvious. When I say do the assignment that you went to judiciously open it, as in at the right time, record time, do this. Not maybe a few hours to be lesson. If you law, no, this is a sign. Anytime you did not do your assignment, I will know it will reflect in the class. And it's not good. Huh? Do we stop this review? We just come and I'll teach you, go. Do we stop it? The way you don't respond the way I want. You can stop it if you can come, I'll just teach you, you go. Whether you understood what I taught you, it's your business. Is it okay like that? Then what are you doing? I'll give assignment, you will not do it. It's not encouraging. To sort out this assignment is stress on its own. I stress myself to arrange this thing so you can see something to work on. But coming here, you don't do it. I don't like it. It's so obvious that you only success this assignment. When did you do the assignment? I'm not comfortable with this. This one did not even copy anything at all. I'm not comfortable with it. From my experience in teaching till today, I know the importance of what I'm doing. I know the importance of what I'm doing. So if you don't work with me and achieve it, then we'll do like normal lesson centers. You go, you just come. I'll teach you. Today is maths and what? Physics now. I'll teach maths 1 hour. 1 hour physics. I'll go my way. You go your way. Go to me again. We teach. I go your way. You go my way. Whether you are following, it's a business. But this thing helped me to actually find out if you are following. If there are some things you don't understand, this is where you now learn it. But if you as if you don't like what I'm doing, because the only way to show that you like what I do is to enthusiasm you apply in doing this assignment. That's what shows that you appreciate what I'm doing. So she moved everything to base what? That's simple. That's what she did. So after moving everything to what? Base 10. She now stopped for what? Why? Simple. And got what? 1. I don't think this should be an issue. If you move this to base 10, is what? 2. Move this to base 10 is 9y plus 3. Move this to base 10 is 3. Move this to base 10 is what? 5y plus 3. You equate it and make y the subject of the what? Formula. And get your what? Y to be what? 1. Is it a big deal? Huh? Are you sure? It's all about moving everything to base 10 and equating them and make y the subject of the what? Formula. Simple. I don't think it's something we should dwell on. Unless you have any specific question, then I can explain further if you have. If not, it's what you can easily solve and get your answer straight. She already solved on the board. She moved everything to base 10 and made y the subject of the formula. You know that this y represents a number. Hope you know. And this is y times 5. Where is it? Where is this? Okay, she uses algebraic reasoning, guys. You're not familiar with this. See, look at it. This y 3. To base what? 9. Simple. Y times what? 9 plus what? 3 times what? 9. Okay? This is 0, right? 1, right? This 9 raised to the power 0 is what? 1. So here is what? 3 times what? 1. Here is what? 9 raised to 1. 1 is what? 9. Y times what? 9. This is saying 9y plus what? 3. That's how she got 9y plus what? 3. Is it clear? Is it clear? Good. So let's go to the last question on this review. The last question says, Michael, you solve this one. Come out. At least this will help you to let me even know whether you, even though this one will not lead to quadratic equation, but let's see. But it to give you a clue on that last one you solved. It will give you a clue to that last one you solved. Take the cover. If n, find n if 3, 4 to base n is equal to 1, 0, 0, 1, 1 to base 2. I don't. Okay. He moved everything to base what? 10. So if you move this to base 10, we have what? This raised to power 0. Good. Good. So this will give us 1 already. This is 4. This is 3. Good. So here is what? Having moved this, he got what? 16 plus what? Everything here is what? 0. Plus what? 2 plus what? 1. Are you following? So here is what? 19. Here is 3n plus 4 is what? 19. This goes to this place. Or this goes to this place. We have what? 19 minus 4 is 15. So 3n is what to what? 15. Therefore, n is what? N is what? 5. So this is actually in base what? 5. Thank you, Michael. Thank you. That's a nice one. Thank you. At least with this, I can be rest assured that at least we are making a what? A progress. We are making progress. That's good. All right. Any question? Any question? Any question? Okay. In the absence of question of any question, we'll stop here. We bring our mathematics review assignment 4 to an end. All right. Thank you very much for your attention. God bless you. See you next time. Bye-bye.